Ki start karap karyang agricultural scientist na ki Shillong jing Hikai bat na ki school ba kila sedang ban mi na ki laboratory ban let yakendu ya ki Nongrep ha ki Pynthor ka ba bat ha ki lengkha risai da ka jing temu ban kentiu ya karap karyang ban pendap ba mi ki pat ba jong kari India. Kani ka program ya kendu Nongrep ha ki Pynthor ka ba bat ha ki lengkha risai kelas sedang nadu ka arpu kendai tarik jemang bat kan kut hadu ka khat ar tarik jeliu ar hajar ar pusan. Hakani ka program ki start karap karyang kini jingo e ki Nongrep ha ki South Li ki CNRD block Ribhoi district ki bakan thop ya ka Jirang Umling Umsning bat Bhoi Rembong. Kini ki start karap karyang kin pendon kam da ki kali ki bala penbiang lut ya ki tiar kitar ban Hikai pat ba ya ki phang babun jat jong karap karyang. Ki start karap karyang na ICAR Krishi Vigyan Kendra ICAR Research Complex, District Agriculture and Horticulture jang ka Sarkar Meghalaya, kiseng Nongrep bat kiseng Khayi Marep, kin ya don ketilang ha kani ka program ya kendu Nongrep, ha ki Pynthor ka ba bat haleng kharisai. Lakmi lenti leng ba kani ka program ki Nongrep kin yo shibun ki jing tip bakham bha ban thung ban tep ban yo khet ya ki so ki ba bha ha ka jing trei jing kta jong ki ha ka rap karyang. Man kasngi kini ki kin hon start rap kin ya kendu amduna saus pa san pongut ki Nongrep ha ki shnong ba pher ba pher.
This Viksit Krishi Sankalp is the new flagship program launched by the Honorable Union Minister of Agriculture, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Here the ethos or the spirit of the program is that what the ICAR and other allied agencies are doing the research, that has to be taken to the farmer's doorstep. That's why it is one of the tagline is that Anusandhan Krishak ke Dwar. Matlab, that if you translate it literally, it is that the research goes to the farmer's doorstep. In this program, it is state-wise program, region-wise program, ICR is involved in everything. In this district, Ribhoi specifically, we are going for approximately 99 villages we are covering over a period of 15 days. Close to 15,000 farmers, 15,000, we will be touching and will be directly interacting with them. Here we are focusing on four things. Number one is that we want to know what are the problems they are having. The farmers, the welfare of the farming community being the spirit, what is their problem, what are the issues on the field they are facing. Number two. Number three is that what are their suggestions that they want that the research should be on, or the ICR as a whole or the research community should take it up. And the fourth one is that we build a close rapport so that this network spreads. And of course that we want to document all these. This will help us keeping in touch with the farmers in the coming days. This is pre-Kharif part of the program. There will be a pre-Rabi also before the winter season when the starts. Before that we want to touch them again. So we hope that this will be a grand success. 15,000 farmers in this in this first phase. Next phase another. We want to touch each and every farmer, their life, their community, their problem, and we want to handhold them in a true spirit.